In this barbecue recipe video, I'm going to show you these delicious hot honey sausages that I made on my offset smoker, cured and smoked. Oh, buddy, these turned out magnificent. Check out the fantastic snap on this. Oh, wasn't that diabolical? You know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. So, let's just talk about it. I've been making sausages lately, pork and beef. But today, I'm just using some pork. It's pretty straightforward. I've thrown them into my grinder, just some chunks, and I'm just going to make a little slurry here and throw it right into this mixture of ground pork. Now, the ratios for this slurry are going to be as follows. It's just 3 ingredients. Okay, Stingin Hot seasoning by the Halifax Honey Company, kosher salt, and curing salt. And I'm going to put all of that in with just about 50 milliliters to about 80 milliliters of cold water. Now, we're using 20 grams of that Stingin Hot seasoning by Halifax Honey Company. We're using 13.5 grams of kosher salt and 2.5 grams of curing salt. We're going to put that all mixed together into some casings. We're going to do the little twirl here, fix those sausages to the right size. As you can see, I'm giving it the old wang jangle, the quick twist, the flick of the wrist. You know what's up. And bud, you're going to end up with some sausages that are ready to get cured overnight in the refrigerator, okay? You can even see here my first C-Link sausage. Pretty stoked on that. Now, what is curing? Well, I don't really fully know, but you leave it in the refrigerator to cure overnight. And it's basically, I think, going to allow those salts to really penetrate the pork. It's going to help it firm up. You can see there, it's distinctly changed that color. And it's definitely made it more firm. That casing is kind of just fitting better. Everything about it smells more like a sausage as well. So I'm using some sugar maple today, and I'm smoking this low and slow, doing my absolute best just to get that flavor throughout these sausages. Now, you can smoke this anywhere between like 3 and 6 hours, but I'm starting low and slow at 150 degrees. And I'm going to increase it by 10 to 15 degrees every hour or so. So we'll go 150, 165, 180. And then at that point, we've hit 3 hours. You can really kick it up or keep it there for just a moment. I don't know. A real smoke house will probably go somewhere about 6 hours. But if you're just in your backyard like me chilling, it's okay to only go 3 hours. You're going to still get that beautiful flavor on there. Once you see that distinct mahogany color change, you can see right here, this sausage is looking beautiful compared to earlier when it just wasn't cooked yet. Anyway, we just want to be patient here, okay? You're going to let that sugar maple smoke roll over this, and that hot honey mixture with all that salts that cured overnight, it's just going to become absolutely delicious barbecue. So once you get it to the point where you're happy, whether it's 3 hours or close to 6, once you're ready to finish this off, the plan is to kick it up to about 225 and bring the internal temperature of these sausages up to around 152 to 155 degrees internal. Then you want to put them immediately into an ice bath for 10 to 15, maybe even 20 minutes, depending on how you feel comfortable with it. We want to make sure that internal cooking has completely stopped. Then you're going to let it air dry, normally on a wire rack. And then you can just cook one up right there. I threw this into an air fryer for about 4 or 5 minutes at 350 degrees. And man, it's looking plump, juicy, and absolutely delicious. So let's take another look at that snap I showed a little bit earlier. Oh man, that was actually spectacular. The crispiness of that exterior shell, that skin is just fantastic. It's definitely juicy. It's definitely looking spectacular. And just check this out. Like slicing into these little medallions, I'm pretty pumped on it. I keep saying this, but it's juicy. That skin snapped beautifully, and just that flavor was there. I mean, hot honey and pork. You really can't go wrong. That seasoning speaks through, but it still keeps it calm, cool, and collected. Anyway, you guys know what's up. I hope you like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I always have such a good time cooking this food. Let me know in the comments below what type of sausages I should do up next. And guys, take care, stay safe, and until next time.